Greetings, family. Sorry for the breaking network. I was live initially and somehow network, disconnected, but I'm live again. And I'm in a place where network is not very good. The power supply is not very good. Okay, because I went for an event, but I thought that this live trading session is very important and should not be carried over because it would help and guide us for the many things we're going to be doing this week. So I thought it was necessary that I have this live session, even though I'm very busy and I'm in a tight corner. So now I'm going to be very brief and I'm going to be very precise with what I'm going to be saying today. So quickly, let's go straight to the chart. If you haven't seen the weekly analysis, I want you to know that you're doing the wrong thing because most of the things I'm going to be talking about now, a few of them have been explained during the weekly analysis, of which, if you haven't seen that weekly analysis, it will be difficult for you to be able to relate with some of the things I'm going to be saying or even understand, some of the things I'm going to be saying. So bear with me, please. Bear with me, please. I'll also be done with this event and I'll be back to a better place where I can be having a better environment to do my videos for you. Okay. So quickly, let's look at the chart and let's see a few things on the chart. I'm loading the chart for the Forex. We have the chart for the synthetics already here. So let me see if the Forex is ready. Okay, so this is Euro, and for those of you who are active on the group, you will notice like I posted an entry for Euro and immediately I deleted because Euro did some manipulation, this morning. But this is actually what it was supposed to be. Okay, so Euro price for DXY was somewhere around here, and I expected it to come fill up this imbalance. Okay, because this imbalance has been here for a very long time. But immediately I did that, there was a news low impact news for that price, and that pushed the dollar index up to this level, okay, of which I'm not sure if any of you buying either GU or EU will be safe, and that was why I deleted it. Now, if you look, you will see that it's safe for GU, okay, because you can see it is close to take profit, but that entry was not. I was not very sure if that entry was going to play out, as I expected. So that was why I, immediately, deleted the post. So it's actually supposed to be a buy for Euro and a buy for GU. As you can see, it's almost close, to the take profit because I saw that price was going to definitely, buy. But I think what happened between EU and GU was manipulation. GU was a little bit manipulated, but EU was, very much manipulated. As you can see, GU is now at the take profit zone. If you look very well, while EU is yet to get to its own take profit zone. So this is GU, and this is our free pair, okay, which is free for everyone in the community. What did I tell you? I told you that DXY is bearish this week, okay? And I said what you do is if you are trading any of the pair, whether EU or GU, what you should do is, of course, DXY will have certain times when it is going bullish because there's a lot of manipulation going on, and that's the new trading style. Okay, if you saw the weekly review, you understand what I'm saying. There is a new system in the Forex. The dollar is heavily manipulated. So you're going to see certain things you never expected to see happening to the dollar. So because of that, you must trade very smart. Okay. And because of that, I will tell you to follow trends. Okay. Because those against the trend will be heavily, manipulated and several times be induced. So seeing that DXY is to come fill up this imbalance, though I see it filling up this imbalance and pushing to the upside. My first move for the opening of the market is a buy. Okay, so GU is supposed to buy from here. If you look closely, you see that the inducement is much. From here, it induced down to 20 pips. You see, so I wanted you to put your stop loss on 34 pips, but I wasn't very much even available for that complete analysis. Okay, so but that's what GU is supposed to play. It has already passed, so we're going to be looking at for tomorrow's entry. Then, as for Euro, this was what I was saying on Euro. You can see it has hit the stop loss. You can see if you look very well, it has hit the stop loss. So what I was saying for Euro is that I was saying that price was going to do the same thing it did in GU. That's buy